So what if I told you there was a way to meet absolutely stunning, beautiful women in Pattaya without having to leave your room? On top of that, there are no expensive bar fines, no lady drinks, none of that. All you have to do is swipe right and swipe left. That's it. Online dating and apps. Online dating the world over has become the primary way to meet people. It's an easy way to gain access to locals and others that are traveling in the same areas. In Thailand, and in particular Pattaya, online dating apps are very popular. Of course, you have to know which ones are the best for you and the best just in general. So keep watching the video because we're going to go over several of the top apps for just about anyone, and make sure you watch to the end because we're going to cover some apps for very specific interests. Number 1. Thai Friendly. Thai Friendly is one of the most popular dating apps in Thailand, and it's a great choice for those looking to connect with singles in Pattaya. If you're looking for someone who shares similar interests and is looking for the same type of relationship, Thai Friendly is great. It has a lot of users and a very user-friendly interface. In terms of communication, Thai Friendly has a range of options available, including instant messages and video chat. This makes it easy to connect with someone and get to know them better before meeting up in person. Additionally, the app has a built-in translation feature, which is helpful especially since most people are not fluent in Thai. Overall, Thai Friendly is a great option for those looking to date in Pattaya. This is especially true if you're looking for a local partner. Number 2. Thai Cupid. Another great option when it comes to dating apps in Pattaya is Thai Cupid. This happens to be an option not only for Thai singles, but people from all around the world who are interested in dating or building relationships with them. One of the best features of this app is the extensive profile setup process. The extensive process ensures that users have completed and detailed profiles, which makes it easier to find compatible matches. On top of that, it allows users to search for people based on specific criteria, including location, interest, and even physical attributes. According to experts, when it comes to communication, there is a wide range of options, including video chat and gifts. Similar to Thai Friendly, one of the best things about this app is its huge user base. In the end, this is a great option for dating in Pattaya and offers a lot of choice. Number 3. Seeking Arrangements. Over the past few years, Seeking Arrangements is a dating app that has gained a lot of popularity in Pattaya and really across Thailand in general. The app is designed for people who are looking for mutually beneficial relationships where one party provides financial support to the other in exchange for companionship or other forms of relationships. One main feature of this app is it focuses on sugar dating. This is where individuals are looking to connect with individuals for money purposes. The app has a range of features, and it makes it easy to find compatible matches. Since this app is designed for people looking for mutually beneficial relationships, it's important to be upfront about what you're looking for and what you're willing to offer in return. This can help ensure that both parties are on the same page and that there are no misunderstandings. Seeking Arrangements can be a good option for those interested in this type of dating, but you have to go into using it with a clear understanding of what exactly this app offers. If you do that, then you may just find this is the right place to find that beautiful Thai girl you've been dreaming of. Number 4. Thai Kisses. If you're looking for another option when it comes to dating apps to use while you're in Pattaya, Thai Kisses is another great option. This app has a huge user base with a wide range of features to help you find your compatible matches, whether it's looking for just a fun night out with a local girl or something more meaningful. One of the biggest standout features of this app is the advanced search system. It's designed to allow users to search for potential matches based on very specific criteria, including things like location, interest, and physical attributes. Thai Kisses offers a wide range of communication options and has a very large and active user base, as we said. This means that you have plenty of options to choose from when it comes to finding yourself a beautiful Thai girl. This may well be one of the best dating apps in Pattaya, not only because of the features that come with it, but largely because of the wide range of selections you have when it comes to finding yourself a companion to enjoy the beautiful city of Pattaya with. Freelance vs. regular girls. Let's take a break from which dating app is best and talk about the process of looking for someone on those dating apps. It's important to remember that not everyone using dating apps in Pattaya are using them for the same purpose. You may find that you're either dealing with a regular everyday girl like you would meet out in town, or a professional known as a freelancer. In fact, there are a lot of freelancers on these apps. One of the most common characteristics of freelance girls is that they use very suggestive language and have explicit photos in their profiles. You may also find that their profile itself mentions financial support in exchange for companionship or other services. Another sign of freelance girls is they may have photos of themselves in revealing clothing or in suggestive poses. It's also important to pay attention to the tone and style of messages from potential matches. Freelance girls may be more direct and aggressive in their approach, whereas regular girls tend to be a little more subdued. Ultimately, it's important to be aware of the potential signs that you're dealing with someone who is looking for financial compensation for a date rather than just a good night out on the town. What about ladyboys? One of the most unique experiences that many people look for in Pattaya is to spend time with a ladyboy. If you're looking for this type of experience and want to use online apps, the best option for you is going to be Thai friendly. This app is popular among ladyboys, as well as those that are looking to date them. The large user base makes it very easy to find compatible matches, especially since in the advanced search area, it has a feature that allows you to search for ladyboys specifically. One of the advantages of this app is the detailed profile system that allows you to include information like gender identity and sexual orientation. On top of that, it has a range of communication options, including instant messages and video chats, which make it easier to get to know that person. Another option in regards to ladyboys you might want to try is My Ladyboy Date. This app is specifically designed for ladyboys and those interested in dating them. It also has a strict policy against fake profiles or scams. My Ladyboy Date does have a smaller user base than Thai Friendly though. When using any app, it's important to be respectful. Make sure to communicate your boundaries and expectations up front. By doing this, you'll be able to enjoy your time better. LGBTQ+ friendly dating apps. If you're an LGBTQ+ traveler, then you're probably looking for a dating app that is friendly to your preferences. With several different options that are standard globally, apps like Grindr, Her, Tinder, and Hornet are all apps that are very friendly to the LGBTQ community. Each of these apps has its own unique advantages and disadvantages. For instance, Grindr is a popular dating app for gay, bi, trans, and queer people, and it has a large global user base. Her is specifically designed for queer and lesbian women, and also has a large user base and includes features like video profiles and chat rooms. Each of these options, as well as Tinder and Hornet, are all great choices for looking to date in the LGBTQ+ community. Just be aware that the laws and social norms regarding LGBTQ+ relationships in Thailand are very different from those in many other countries. Understanding this will allow you to take specific precautions to ensure your safety and well-being, as well as that of your dates. So whether you're looking for freelancers, ladyboys, LGBTQ dates, or anyone else, there is a wide range of apps available to help you find that perfect match. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next upload.